Hi. For Tiffany? Just helmet, yeah? Helmet.
No.
No need? Ready?
Yes.
How are you? Good? How are you?
Fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm good. You from Brazil?
No, Venezuela.
Venezuela. Oh. First time I meet people from Venezuela.
Whoa,
Yeah, really.
It's long.
Sorry?
It's long. 40. No. 40 hours.
From here to Venezuela.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I living in Spain.
Oh, you live in
Yeah,
Spain.
yeah.
How long are you staying in Bali?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Oh.
Yeah, but finish Friday. Go to Spain.
Spain. Okay.
Okay.
This one.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye.